Tropical storm warning in effect for the following counties, in Connecticut, Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tropical storm warning, which is in effect from 3 p.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Monday. The tropical storm watch is no longer in effect. Recent models suggest that a tropical storm is expected to hit the Connecticut area within 42 hours. It is not known if this tropical storm will become a hurricane or not. Residents are asked to take precautionary measures in case a hurricane hits the state of Connecticut. Hurricane warning for the coast of Connecticut and Long Island. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a hurricane warning, which is in effect until 9 p.m. Sunday. It has been confirmed that there is a hurricane heading towards our area. To repeat, there is a hurricane heading towards our area. Take precautionary measures now. Hurricane Callie, a powerful hurricane with winds exceeding 120 miles per hour, is expected to hit southern Connecticut, including Long Island, within the next 24 hours. If you are within the mentioned area, you should take precautionary measures as soon as possible. If you do not take precautionary measures, you may be putting your life at risk. Take immediate action now. Evacuation is recommended. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Connecticut Division of Emergency Management. Callie, an extremely powerful Category 4 hurricane, will impact the Connecticut coast, as well as Long Island, within the next 12 hours. Due to extreme impact projected, a mandatory evacuation has been issued for all residents of Long Island, and all residents within 25 miles of the Connecticut coast. It is likely that you will face certain death if you do not evacuate the area. Evacuate now. To repeat, Hurricane Callie will impact the area within 12 hours. Evacuate now. Catastrophic danger warning for the warned area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Connecticut Division of Emergency Management. Callie, an extremely powerful Category 5 hurricane with winds exceeding 175 miles per hour, is expected to make landfall in the Long Island area within the next 6 hours. The southern coast of Connecticut, as well as Long Island, will be severely damaged or even destroyed. Due to more dangerous impact, the evacuation radius has been extended to citizens living within 50 miles of the Connecticut coastline. Evacuate now. This is WTNH. This station will cease all transmissions when the alert ends. You should change to WFSB in Hartford, or to WVIT in New Britain. These stations will continue providing news for our area. End of transmission. An administrative message from the Connecticut Division of Emergency Management. Hurricane Callie has left the area. However, extreme damage has been inflicted on our area. Residents who evacuated the state of Connecticut, as well as Long Island, are asked not to return home. It will take several weeks to rebuild the affected areas. In addition, here are some stats on the recent hurricane. The highest wind speed was recorded at 182 miles per hour. Over 7 inches of rain fell across the warned area with an impact. In addition, approximately 156 people have been killed, and approximately 6,157 have been injured. Stay tuned for more information on this hurricane and reconstruction efforts.